Are you wondering if now is the time to make a move on Axcella Health stock? Get ready to dive deep into the world of Axcella Health. Our initial report, released on our website on Tuesday, September 19, 2023, was just the beginning. Today, we're bringing you an even more detailed analysis that you won't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay in the loop on our latest analysis. We'll keep you informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our revolutionary AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Head over to StockInvest.us and tap into the power of artificial intelligence. Gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news about Axcella Health. Our system has ranked it as a hold/accumulate since September 1, 2023, with a score of 0.00. But what has been the stock's performance during this period? Let's find out. Brace yourself for some jaw-dropping numbers. Axcella Health has surpassed our expectations, delivering a staggering gain of 2,792.86% since our initial recommendation to buy it just 12 days ago. Can you believe it? That's an incredible average return of 232.74% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Hold your breath as we reveal more. A score of 0 indicates high volatility and risk for the following trading day, making it difficult to predict the stock's next direction. It could go either way. Get ready for some exciting news. The stock has just broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of growth. And guess what? There might be a second chance to make big profits at a support level of $1.67. Hold on to your seats because the current 3-month trend suggests a potential mind-blowing 799.1% change over the next 3 months. Brace yourself for returns ranging from -64.02% to a staggering 23.35%. But wait, there's more. The 12-month trend predicts a -78.03% change over the next year. This could result in returns from -100.00% to -99.56%. Imagine the possibilities. The price range could go from $0 to $0.0539 after just 1 year. Hey there. Get ready for some exciting news about Axcella Health. Brace yourself for a wild ride as we dive into the stock market roller coaster that happened on Tuesday. Can you believe it? The stock price for Axcella Health Inc. shot up by a whopping 1924.66% on Tuesday, September 19, 2023. It went from $0.600 all the way up to $12.15. But hold on tight because it wasn't a smooth journey. The stock experienced intense fluctuations, swinging 32.73% between a low of $11 and a high of $14.60. Let me give you some more mind-blowing stats. In the past 2 weeks alone, the stock price has skyrocketed by an incredible 3,322.54%. And guess what? It's been on the rise for 6 out of the last 10 days. Talk about a winning streak. Now, let's talk numbers. The trading volume dropped by a massive 15 million shares on the last day. However, a total of 434,000 shares were still bought and sold, accumulating a mind-boggling $5.27 million. But here's the interesting part. When volume decreases while prices go up, it could be a sign of divergence and a potential change in the near future. Keep an eye out for that. Now, let's zoom out and take a broader perspective. In the past 52 weeks, the stock hit a high of $14.60 and a low of $0.104. Currently, it sits 16.78% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $2.45. And get this, it's a staggering 24.02% below the all-time high, which was reached on May 9, 2019 at $15.99. Can you believe the ups and downs this stock has seen? Exciting analyst ratings. Hold on to your seats as we dive into the latest analyst ratings for AXLA. Brace yourself for some market-moving news. Let's start with the most recent update on Friday, December 16, 2022. SVB Lear Inc. gave AXLA a market perform grade with a downgrade action. Now, rewind to Monday, October 3, 2022. AXLA received a buy grade from SVB Lear Inc. with a hold action. Fast forward to Thursday, September 29, 2022. Roth Capital joined the party and gave AXLA a buy grade with a hold action. Rewind again to Wednesday, August 3, 2022. SVB Lear Inc. was back in action, giving AXLA an outperform grade with a hold action. And lastly, let's go back to Monday, May 9, 2022. Chardan Capital had some exciting news, awarding AXLA with a buy grade and a hold action. Are you wondering about the potential of Axcella Health stock? Well, the analysts have spoken, and they give it a resounding buy rating. But that's not all. They also rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as another strong buy. Now, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a different opinion. They give the stock a rather surprising strong sell rating. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the exciting world of Axcella Health. Today, we'll dive into some fascinating signals that have been identified for this game-changing company. Hold on to your seats because the Axcella Health Incorporated stock is riding high on a wave of buy signals. Both the short and long-term moving averages are giving a resounding thumbs up, painting a positive forecast for the stock. But wait, it gets even better. The relationship between these signals reveals a general buy signal, with the short-term average soaring above the long-term average. When the market experiences corrections and the stock dips, fear not. Axcella Health has got your back. There's solid support waiting at $2.49 and $0.701, acting as safety nets. However, it's important to note that a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals, so keep a close eye on the market. Now, let's talk about an exciting development. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, September 18, 2023. Since then, the stock has skyrocketed by a staggering 1924.66%. Can you believe it? And here's the cherry on top, experts predict further rise until a new top pivot is found. Strap in, folks, because the journey is just getting started. But that's not all. Brace yourselves for another buy signal, this time from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's a strong indication of the stock's potential for success. However, there's a twist. Volume fell during the last trading day despite the rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as an early warning sign. Keep a close watch on Axcella Health in the coming days. Exciting times lie ahead, my friends. Axcella Health is a company to watch, and with these signals pointing toward success, the stock market is buzzing with anticipation. Stay tuned for more updates on this thrilling journey. Are you curious about other interesting signals? Let's dive in. Check out the moving average convergence divergence, it's giving a strong buy signal. Pivots are indicating a buy signal 2 days ago, indicating a potential opportunity. Bollinger Bands had a buy signal 27 days ago, suggesting a potential upward trend. Short-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago, indicating a potential bullish move. Long-term moving average gave a buy signal 16 days ago, indicating a possible long-term uptrend. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 16 days ago, indicating a potential positive trend. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 16 days ago, indicating a potential buying opportunity. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 14 days ago, suggesting caution. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 7 days ago, indicating a potential positive shift in the trend. Don't forget to visit StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Get ready for a deep dive into Axcella Health support, risk, and stop loss. Brace yourself, because this stock has no support from accumulated volume below today's level. And let me tell you, if the conditions are right, things may turn ugly for this stock in the next couple of days. The volatility of this stock is off the charts, making it a roller coaster ride. And with a Bollinger Band predicting such a wide range, we're talking about a very high-risk situation here. Just yesterday, this stock had a mind-boggling $3.60 movement between its highest and lowest points, which accounts for a whopping 32.73%. And wait, there's more. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been a staggering 44.89%. Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of trading levels for Axcella Health. But before we jump into that, let's dive into some fascinating fundamental data. Picture this, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. It's like a window into a company's soul, measuring its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Fascinating, right? Now, brace yourself for this revelation. A negative P/E ratio means the company has negative earnings or is actually losing money. Even the mightiest companies face tough times, often due to factors beyond their control. But here's the thing, my friends, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. It's a tale as old as time, with a twist of financial drama. And now, for the juiciest scoop of all, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on the thrilling date of October 30, 2023. Mark your calendars, folks, because this is where the excitement begins. The analysts' consensus estimates? Brace yourselves for this jaw-dropping figure, $0.0500. Yes, you heard it right. These numbers have the power to send shockwaves through the stock market. Better keep a keen eye on them, my fellow traders, as they can greatly impact stock prices. It's a roller coaster ride you won't want to miss. Hey there, fellow traders. Get ready for some exciting insights into potential day trading levels for Axcella Health. Brace yourself for a smooth upward movement as there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. With the right conditions, this stock could skyrocket. Keep a close eye on volume to make your exit strategy. But hold your horses. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could experience a sharp drop in certain situations. Only the experienced traders should dare to place their bets. Caution is the name of the game here. Are you curious about the future of Axcella Health? Well, the combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is a resounding buy. But before we dive in, let's unveil some intriguing insider trades. Picture this, on March 1, 2023, Axcella Margaret made a bold move by selling 679 shares of common stock. And just a couple of weeks ago, on February 17, Axcella Margaret surprised everyone by buying 70,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. But the surprises didn't end there. On the same day, Hinshaw William grabbed the opportunity and purchased 275,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. And let's not forget about Fellner Paul, who also joined the insider buying spree on February 17, acquiring 70,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. A few days earlier, on February 10, Fellner Paul made another move by buying 5,221 shares of common stock. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've crunched the numbers and determined that the insider power is on the rise, with a positive ratio of 71.644. Overall, insiders have purchased a staggering 21,347,312 shares, while selling 480,592 shares in their last 100 trades. Hold on tight. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.83, a decrease of 2.66%. This stock is a roller coaster ride with its wild daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. The RSI 14 is off the charts at 92, adding even more risk. But don't worry, because we've spotted a buy signal from a pivot bottom just one day ago. Are you wondering if Axcella Health stock is a good buy? Let's take a closer look at Axcella Health Inc. and its potential as an investment. While there are some positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. However, it could be a hold or accumulate candidate in your portfolio, given its current level. We recommend keeping an eye on further developments to make an informed decision. Now, let's talk about the recent volatility and movements. Our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Looking ahead to Wednesday, September 20th, we anticipate Axcella Health to open up $0.433 and start trading at $12.58. Are you ready to take on the world of trading? Before you dive in, let's talk about some important things to keep in mind. Trading can be an exciting venture, but it's essential to remember that it comes with risks. Don't worry, though. We've got you covered. Before making any investment decisions, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your unique situation. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide a wealth of information, it's important to remember not to solely rely on it when making investment choices. We believe in empowering you with knowledge, but ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment decisions. By using our information, you agree to be held accountable for your choices. So, are you ready to embark on this thrilling journey? Let's make informed decisions together and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Welcome to our exclusive stock analysis. Today, we unveil our current view of the stock and we want to hear your opinion too. Let us know in the comments below if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We value your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more exciting content. Now, let's set a target for this stock, shall we? Share your target with us and let's see how it aligns with our analysis. Wishing you abundant success in your trading journey and have a fantastic day, courtesy of the entire StockInvest team.